Stu Beans with the Little House of Beans, and today we are going to do a product review and demonstration of a product that you can't get here in the United States, but we were so intrigued that we got our hands on one. So what product is that? It's in here. Are you ready? Who wants to make waffles in their Omnia oven? Check this out. Silicone waffle mold. Stay tuned and we'll go through all the details. So first and foremost, I have to thank Ingrid Ogden, who is in Friesland, Netherlands, who went out of her way to ask if I was interested in having one of these. Because I can't get my hands on them. I contacted the company that makes this, and I'll talk about them in a minute. Contacted them, and I never heard back. Maybe it's because I wrote my email in English. I'm not really sure. Ingrid went out of her way to ask if I wanted one, and the two of us worked together, and she shipped one of these all the way from the Netherlands. So Ingrid, thank you so much. It's nice that people are nice to us, and both Edye and I appreciate you very much. With that out of the way, let me quickly talk to you about this company. So the company is called Campiform, and they are in Germany. And according to my iPad, they not only make a waffle mold, but they also make a pizza mold. They make some sort of grid on the top that they advertise as something to put over while you make popcorn. So that's interesting. They also make a muffin mold, and they make a, I'm not even sure what to call it, but they make a piece that sits on top of this so you can cook your buns underneath, and then a whole other piece that sits on top where you can do your eggs and bacon. And so it's an interesting company. And again, I can't get my hands on it, but if you want any of those products, the website is campiform.de. So it's campiform.de. Maybe you can get your hands on one. I know certainly anybody watching that's overseas, you have it easy. So when you get it, I guess you get this, and you have an instruction book, which is mostly in German, but the safety instructions are in English, and there's some pretty much just some things that you pretty much already know. You clean it before you use it. Don't use it if it's cracked or bent. Keep away from children. Use for the Omnia oven only. And all parts get very hot, so handle with care. That's pretty much what the instructions say. And then you have a couple of pictures, which I did translate this. And it's basically, here's your waffle form. Pour it in here. Spray the thing first. And cook it on low heat. That's pretty much what it says. So I am going to turn over this process to Edye, who is going to do a basic mix, and she's going to see if it works. So with that, I turn it over to Edye.
So I just happen to have this brand of waffle mix at home. I'm just honestly going by the top ratios. I'm going to try to make 2 to 3 waffles. I've never used this, so I honestly don't know how much or how little I need. So let's start off with 2 to 3 waffles, and if need be, I'll just mix another batch. So this is 200 ml of water, or 2/3 cup. Every package, every mix will be different, but this is the brand Crustias. Crustias.
You know who loves Krusty's products?
Who's that?
Kevin Kemp.
Oh. So per the box instructions, after we mix the batter, it needed to just hang out for 2 minutes. So it's been 2 minutes. I'm pouring it into a little Pyrex glass pitcher. So it'll be easier for me to pour the waffle mix in the waffle holder. Let's just see, I'm curious the measurement of this particular brand. So it's about 450 ml or 2 cups.
Do one section at a time. I guess that was enough, huh?
Yeah, 2 cups was enough. Let me just try to even each divider. I think we're okay. Actually, a little bit more than enough. I'd say there's about a 1/4 cup left.
Oh, you can still get the corner. Still get the corner there, and the corner here. Yeah, it's just enough.
No, it's perfect. 2 cups. Maybe a little bit right here. I'd say we are even everywhere.
It's not as brown as I would like. Interesting. We're gonna let it cool down and flip them out?
Sure.
All right. Isn't it easier just to flip the whole thing?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this, guys. I love it. I love it.
How was the texture?
Like spongy. Here, let me break one open.
Fascinating.
Nice.
We're gonna pour some maple syrup on it.
Sure.
Look, the two of us are together. Hello. So, closing thoughts on this Campiform waffle mold. It works.
I love it. I actually do. I love the little waffle texture. What is it? Mold that comes out. I think Stu would prefer it on both sides.
Well,
but
it's not a traditional waffle.
But that's okay. I mean, for me, it doesn't matter, right? You are camping. And I think, if you choose to add some blueberries or chocolate chips, it's wonderful plain also, but I think the product works great. We had it at 200 degrees for 30 minutes or so. It's cooked all the way through, and it really is delicious.
Yeah. The other thing I would mention is when we camp, we use multiple Omnia accessories. So we always have a silicone mold, but when we pack, we stack everything. And so this will fit right in here. And then we have our lower grate and upper grate that fit right in there. And then I can just slap the cover on and everything kind of fits in there. So if you're like us and you stack accessories, we pretty much have the essentials right here.
Yeah,
so
super compact.
It works. The only downside that I can think of when it comes to this is that we can't really get it in the States. I'm going to shoot this video over to the company and see if I can get them to respond and figure out if there's a plan to bring this to the States. You see in my earlier comments, there's like 6 different accessories that are all very cool that the Omnia company does not make. So it's kind of neat that some of these other companies are making accessories for the Omnia Oven. And are we keeping this?
That's a solid yes.
Yes, especially after Ingrid went through all the effort.
Thank you, Ingrid.
Yeah.
That was very sweet of you. I appreciate that.
Made the effort to get this from the Netherlands to us. So again, thank you, Ingrid. Yeah, so that's the entire review. We're giving this a 2 thumbs up, and we're gonna sit here and eat our waffles for sit here and eat our waffles for breakfast. And if you like the product reviews that we do, please give us a thumbs up. That's the best way you can help the channel grow. It doesn't cost you anything to give us a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we come out with new videos.
I'm just gonna keep eating my waffles. Yeah, look, they're great. Fluffy inside too. Thank you again, Ingrid.
Now I just need to figure out how to do a falafel waffle. Thanks for watching, folks. I'm Stu.
And I'm Edye Beans.
And we're the Little House of Beans. Thanks.
See you soon.
See you soon.